There's been one narrative that has been the hottest in crypto lately, and this has been to the point where XRP has in fact dominated the top 10 assets in the space. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. That's free to do, and we'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this domination is something that's a little new for XRP. You know, we've dealt with so many negative things for such a long period of time. Now that we're dealing with some semblances of good news, we're starting to see things pick up a bit. In fact, this unmatched 7-day growth is showing that XRP is in fact the best gainer over the last week in the top 10 assets, up 6.77%, BTC coming in second at 5.8%, Toncoin in third at 5.74%. And this is even after a 2.7% drop over the last 24 hours. So XRP right now, guys, is running hot. It's doing extremely well. Now, again, some big pieces of good news. Obviously, the Grayscale fund. We know that obviously smart contracts are coming. We know that the EVM sidechain is coming. There's all these great things that are finally starting to compound and basically create some increased activity when it comes to XRP. And that is really what's helping facilitate this run. Volume right now is growing. Volume is very high for XRP. And the biggest thing you need in order to move price is activity. All right. Now, luckily, this activity has been going the right way. There's been so much suppression of XRP over time because of the Ripple v. SEC case that now that we are getting closer to this appeal deadline, it looks like things are about to take off. In fact, the volume is looking good. In fact, we have some great things playing out on the charts here too. We actually have a large inverse head and shoulders that's kind of building here. So XRP could actually dip a little bit lower below our support here before that kind of trigger that sends us to the upside. This isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. But just know that the charts are starting to look very good in terms of XRP as well. And again, if you guys are curious about checking out my indicator, the link for that is in the description below. This is actually the daily chart, and you guys can see there's been some great opportunities. It is identified here recently. For example, this dip back on July 6th was a huge buy zone opportunity on the daily chart. And in fact, on the hourly chart, you guys can see some great buy zones here as well. Just a big opportunity buy the other day, just what's that, Sunday. So a few days ago. Again, there's a 7-day free trial. Feel free to check that out. But what we're also going to see is a time where, frankly, people's emotion doesn't really matter. What people think of XRP doesn't really matter. The market eventually crushes naysayers. It happens time and time again. XRP is no different from the rest of the market in this standpoint. When you are making progress, when you are doing the right things, when you are seeing follow through like we're seeing with XRP and Ripple right now, it leads towards price movement. We've just been in this time where, frankly, crypto adoption hasn't been that high. It's been a lot of the same people in the space just matriculating around. And that's the reason why, when you look at the overall market cap of crypto, it hasn't really changed over the past few months. We've just been on the same kind of consolidation that we've seen from prices for the overall crypto market, right? Look at the last year. You guys can see that from basically March until now, it's just been consolidating. All right. So now we're getting to a time where, frankly, things are going to start opening up a little bit, whether it's, the FOMC meeting from today, whether it is, historically speaking, from September through the middle of October, maybe it's the election in November. There are some positive catalysts that we may have ahead that are only going to contribute and make this growth snowball and go even faster. And I want to remind people, this is something that I think people tend to forget. The biggest times of adoption in crypto are typically the last 3 or 4 months of the market cycle. Specifically, the last year of the bull market is the biggest growth time period in terms of DeFi, in terms of users, in terms of capital. All right. So we are set now for an exponential growth, not just in users, but an exponential growth in terms of price. And because of what XRP has done, because of this negative overhead that we don't have to deal with anymore, the growth potential is frankly limitless. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. There are a lot of positive things that are going to help this industry in the long run. And XRP has already cemented itself as something that isn't going away. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys check out that Margex link in the description below. Again, you can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC, but appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Catch you in the next one. Take care.